And the question above here, to determine the volume of oxygen at s.t.p required to burn 50 cm³ of propane. So the first thing to do is to write out the chemical equation showing the combustion reaction of propane. So from the equation written above here, you can conclude that propane combines with oxygen in the ratio of 1 to 5. So from here, we can say 1 volume of C3H8 at s.t.p will require 5 volumes of oxygen gas. So if we have 50 cm³ of propane, x cm³ of oxygen gas will be required. So to get s, we will multiply indirectly. So x equals 50 cm³ multiplied by 5 volume divided by 1. This equals 250 cm³. And this will be serving as the final answer. That is, if we have 50 cm³ of propane present, 250 cm³ of oxygen gas will be required for the combustion reaction. With this, we've come to the end of the solution to the question. Do well to subscribe for more if you find this video helpful.